The stories of buccaneers, wars, invasions, pirates, Sir Henry Morgan. They dot the history that made Port Royal the richest and the wickedest city on earth. Ladies and gentlemen, 2020, January 20th, will go down in history as one of the most memorable moments in recent history, in the new history of Jamaica, which is being written because the wickedest city, the richest city, the sunken city, Port Royal, came abuzz with life, action, history, and all her glory as she became Jamaica's fifth cruise pier, welcoming for the first time our baby, the Morella Discovery 2. And what an amazing event it was. We were very, very happy to be a part of this engaging experience. From the moment we discovered that this life-changing experience would happen, we encouraged our clients, come on, get on board. The Morella Discovery is sailing into Port Royal, ladies and gentlemen. And so it was. And it was laced with dignitaries, and it was laced with people from all walks of life. Persons made history to be the first ones disembarking the wonderful Morella Discovery 2 on the new pier. Something a bit different. I think it's called a skywalk. Don't quote me on that. I'll get the correct name, but it is Jamaica's first floating pier. Thanks to the Port Authority of Jamaica, they provided wonderful footage. You're going to see great videos and wonderful pictures as we savored the moment and commanded into history all that made January 20th, 2020 a day to remember. But listen, we have another sailing coming into Port Royal. Yes, sirree. March 10th is the departure from Montego Bay aboard the Morella Discovery, and she will be bringing a whole new group of persons into Port Royal to do it again. And you ask, who was there? Oh my goodness, everybody who was anybody, oh, they were there. We had the coffee people, and we've got the rum people, and we've got the chicken people, we had the food people. So Red Stripe was there, and Jam Blue Coffee was there. Oh my goodness. Walker's Wood was there with their wide array of seasonings and spices. Ah, it was something to behold. The music, the laughter, the dancing, the merriment. Oh, only your eyes can fulfill the wonders that came about as we welcome this new era, this new decade of life as we will now know it in Port Royal. But you can see the pictures for yourself, and you can get ready to set your plans in full pursuit of what will be a breathtaking encounter as you enter into the Kingston Harbor and onto Port Royal. Ah, remember the Palisades airstrip is right along there. Kingston, just around the corner. Oh, Bob Marley Museum. There's so much to do in the city of my birth. I enjoy the fact that now we are awakening the sleeping giant and we are bringing you to city center. Relax a bit. Take a moment. Savor the sights and sounds and essences of what made this amazing day one worthy to remember. Photo credits also to Sharon Williams from the Cruise Corner and my dear friend from childhood, oh, Michelle Harris. You all will enjoy all that Port Royal, Kingston, And Jamaica has to offer. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're your cruise specialist. Give us a call 347-757-6728 and 876-345-1437. You know we're all about the fun.
My name is Wendy and I come from Wales in the UK and I absolutely love Jamaica. We landed here this morning and it's been absolutely fantastic.
We went to Eris Park.
We had a taxi and we went to Devon House.
This is the first time this, and we're thoroughly enjoying what we've seen so far.
The only place we visit in Kingston is Fort Clarence Beach, and I think our favourite thing is the people. To step off the ship and made to feel so welcome, it's a blessing.
Come back on another cruise here, yes, 100%.
Vibrancy of all your young dancers was wonderful. I couldn't keep up with those young people myself.
Port Royal is definitely a place I'm going to come back to, and I'd like to see how it develops over the years, and I hope it just maintains the same vibe as we've had today.
Big up Jamaica.